Today I am going to try crocheting this granny square chicken free crochet pattern with a YouTube tutorial from sweetsofties.com. It's Karen Little Crafties. These little different skeins of yarn, the package comes with 20 different colors. And so I picked some colors to use. I'm using a 2.75 crochet hook, and what I'm going to try doing is making the pattern and see, since I'm new at this, see if mine turns out as well as the designer's, which is actually very adorable. So the first step is to create 2 granny squares, and she also has a pattern for that. It's the spring court granny square pattern. So I'm going to get started. Okay, so this is step 1 of creating the granny squares that I need, and I need 2 of them, and I'm making them look different, so pink and a blue. Okay, so I finished step 2 of the spring court granny square. So round 1 and round 2 of both of these. They're green or maybe yellow. Maybe I'll do yellow. Okay, so I finished round 3 on the 2 granny squares. The one thing I'm noticing about this yarn is that there's quite a bit of drag when I was using this prim crochet hook because it's plastic, or it has some, whatever the coating is here, and I was splitting the yarn, so I switched to a metal hook and it's working out a little better for me. Okay, so now I'm done with round 4 of the granny squares, and they're not squares yet, so I think in the next round we turn these into squares. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I've completed both of my granny squares, and now it's time to actually start on the chicken. This one looks a little bigger. This one looks like I might have, it just looks like I maybe crocheted this pink one a little tighter. This is my first time doing this stitch, just a drop stitch. So that was nice. I liked having a tutorial for that. When I switched to the metal crochet hook, I didn't split the yarn. So I think for some reason the yarn with this type of hook just wasn't working out great for me. So now I get to actually work on the chicken. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so I finished step 1, I guess, which was to get the 2 granny squares and sew them together on 3 sides. Now the one thing I'm noticing is my granny square isn't extremely dense, so I don't know how it's going to look once I stuff it, but we'll see. Okay, so on to step number 2, which is to work on the crown, the chicken crown. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I now have added the crown, I think this is called, and the little beak. I probably should have made this red or pink. I think they're usually, I don't know, I just went with yellow. And now I'm going to put eyes. I have 12 millimeter craft eyes, so I'm going to put those on. Okay, so I have the safety eyes in, and now I'm just going to stuff it a little, not too much, because how does it go? I think it kind of goes like that or something. Oh, my eye's coming out. That's not good. I think that's probably enough stuffing. So let's finish up sewing it. Okay, well, my chicken is done. It is super cute, super chubby, chunky. I think if I were to do it again, I would use a smaller size hook because I think my holes are too big. It was super easy to put it together. I think it's a great use of granny squares. If you have some solid, extra solid granny squares, you can make a whole bunch of these. They're cute. If you haven't made one of these, I hope maybe you'll give it a try. And like I said, it's a free pattern, and there is also a video tutorial. But if there's any other free patterns out there that you think I should try in another video, leave a comment and let me know.